Hi, so another COVID update for you. Background information on what we are doing on the pandemic as well, and how we're doing our best to keep everyone safe. So Bristol's current rate of infection is 15 new cases per 100,000 people. That means there have been 41 positive cases in the last 7 days. We do well, we continue to do well. England's infection rate is currently 21 new cases per 100,000. So you can see we are below that rate. And in some cities up north as well, they're in the hundreds again. But again, we're really encouraging people not to get prematurely overconfident. Around 215,000 people in Bristol received 1 or more doses of the vaccine. This is 50% of the eligible population over 16 years of age. So we continue to focus on priority groups, those groups that are underrepresented amongst those who have had the vaccine. The national programme is now open to those over the age of 34, really encouraging you all to come forward and get your vaccine when it's your turn. There is a national focus on speeding up second doses from 11 to 8 weeks for cohorts 1 to 9. So if you're in these groups, you may receive a call from your GP asking you to move your appointment earlier. If you originally decided not to take up the vaccine, would like to now, please visit the NHS website to find out the best way to book in. And I'd encourage you, as I said, to book in for that. It's supportive of your health, but it's supportive of the health of people around you, your family and your community and the wider city and country. This week saw Bristol move to step 3 in the government's roadmap. So it's really welcome news for many, including our business community, particularly the hospitality sector, but also for families who haven't been able to visit one another in such a long time. We know the price we're all paying for that. So although we have a lot more freedom to socialise and to do more activities, we are asking people to stay cautious, to continue to engage in COVID-safe behaviours. The virus has not gone away, and although the case number within Bristol is relatively low, the situation in other UK cities is very different, and we're on the same planet and this could same country, and this can transmit between us. So we still have to engage in COVID safe behaviours. If you're visiting the shops or heading out for coffee, COVID secure measures will be in place in those venues to keep you safe. And unless you have an exemption, face masks must be worn on public transport. So we also encourage you to meet outdoors wherever possible. And please do respect each other's wishes and each other's concerns and anxiety, particularly when you're coming into close proximity, close contact, avoid hugging. And please remember hands, face, space, and fresh air. We have a bank holiday and a school half term coming up. Many of you will be planning holidays in the UK, such as camping or even staycations. So if you are traveling in the UK, please remember to travel safely and plan ahead. This means considering holiday insurance. Worst case scenario plans need to be thought through if you or someone you know or traveling with becomes unwell. So please be sure to check with your accommodation where you are staying what to do if you develop symptoms of COVID-19 or test positive during your stay. Make sure you know ahead of time. If you test positive while on holiday, you should make your own assessment about where to self-isolate for the 10 days that we required. Please continue to take your regular lateral flow tests when you're away on holiday. If a friend or family visiting you wants to get rapid tests while they're in Bristol, they have a few options. You can visit the bristol.gov.uk/rapid test website for more information. But do continue to take care and please stay safe.